My sweetheart, the Lord Jesus. I don't care about America, Russia, China, what they do. Man, they can do whatever they want to do. They want to send a nuclear rocket here? Please do. Today before tomorrow, I want to go and meet my sweetheart Jesus. What am I doing in this filthy world? Filthy world. Humanity has made the world filthy because they rejected God, Christ the King, and embraced Satan. The people of the world have destroyed the world by following Satan. They became slaves. Slaves. They call the light darkness, and they call darkness the light. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing, my